What's up? Oh, shoot. Copyrighted music. I forgot about that. But I am doing an oil change on the truck. I just finished doing front differential. I filled that already. Rear differential, I still need to put some oil in, but as you can see, it's down there. Keys aren't in the truck, so. Here's the new oil filter. I've never used one of these, so, well, never used an oil filter, just never that one. I should really buy a mount for my phone. That was a wrench. And I'm doing this because, well, first I need oil to put on seals, but also because I can just put the oil plug straight up. Don't forget to put oil on your seal, like this. There we go. Then there's also, I realized there's a seal right here that I'm going to put some oil on. I don't know if you really need it on this seal, but this is the drain plug, and I've seen it leak before, so fuck it. I wonder if you can just pause this. Oh, there's differential cap. Leave that in there. Hopefully I don't lose that. Alright. Bring you down. Bring you down. Here's my new tool set. Oh, I gotta fix that tonight too. And still finish my tool bench over there. Let's see how well this goes. Oh, get ready because there's gonna be a transmission change pretty soon. Alright, first things first, I'm putting this oil plug in because it's still dripping. And I don't want that on my face. I know it's gonna happen, but I really don't want it to. Alright, move that over for the oil filter. And oil filter's right there. Oh, fuck. And it's so greasy and dirty. I can't take it off. Oh, there's a rig right there. Yeah, I'm gonna need grips or thingies. Always happens when you get under the vehicle that you need to grab stuff. Isn't that convenient? Sucks. Oh, especially when you have a stock lift on a truck. You should really lift that thing up. But first I gotta get new transfer case, new transmission, new front diff. Because front differential is completely shot on this truck. I pulled the filter, or not the filter, but the plugs out yesterday. No! I know what happened. Never actually used this. So let's see if I can do it without it. No. Let's see how well I can do it with it then. That's tightening. Nope, still nothing. Normally I am just able to hand tighten this, or do it by hand to take this out, but, and there's the oil. Why is it red? Do you see that it's red? Uh-oh. Why is that red? I don't have a cup to look. Ah, I just got oil on my hair from the oil plug. Or oil thing. It only comes off into my hand. Alright, just, there we go. That's a lot of, why is it so red? And yes, my oil has been going out, so it's not, hopefully not transmission fluid. catch some in the oil filter. And I'll have some. Uh-oh. That smell right. It does smell like fuel almost. I don't think I can win with this truck. And I'm recording on YouTube, so I can't pause and wait till this is done draining, which sucks ass. I guess it's not too good. I think something's wrong with one of my pistons up. So much oil. I know it's itchy. You probably can't even see anything other than that face. I think I got this exhaust off today. This front drive shaft. Hey, there's bolts, yay. What's on the other side? I can't even see. Ah, that's just pure yolks. Yolks are for eggs. I'm tired. There's so much oil. And there's more oil on just the engine. So I have 4 cans of brake clean that I'm going to use to clean off the engine, fix leaks and stuff, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see how good it goes. I have such a mint freaking frame. Look at this shit. Oh, what is that? Yeah, that's a member right there that's rusted through down there. Fun. Alright, I'm gonna say that's close enough. Time to put the new filter on. Yeah, the seal came off of the old filter. Where's the hole? How do you... There we go. So greasy. Oily, I guess. Not greasy. I gotta go get a new rig. Because I can't even tighten this shit. My hands are too oily. And I rather have... Oh, well, there goes that shirt, I guess. Never mind. I was gonna say I'd rather have a shirt for once after doing an oil change, but... Don't look like that's happening. Really does smell like gas. Didn't I just take a sample of oil? In our Dixie cup. Red Solo cup. How I feel you would. Let's have a party. A little less oily. Alright, where's that cup? Is it under the truck? No, wait, where is it? It's not under the truck. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah, here's the new workbench. Just got stained. Please don't be gas. Didn't sound like it was misfiring. I was about to jump in and turn it on and see if it was misfiring, but I think it might misfire then. Hi. You're covered in water. I was about to say oil, but that's me. You're gonna help me, hon? Look at my little puppy. That's not even a puppy anymore. Remember, hand tighten, never go farther. There we go. Okay, where's the wrench? That can get moved. Oh, it's tight fit. Flip this. Oh, God damn it. She's so hard to turn. Why is it so hard to turn with one hand? There we go. Hopefully it stops leaking now. Oh, that's where it went. Fun. Alright, push that stuff out. Ah, there's never enough room. Push the tool set out. That's gonna stay because now I gotta go move down to the back of the truck over there, fill that. I just run the oil pan so I don't make a mess. This is gonna be a really boring video. It's already 10 minutes long, and there's barely, I haven't even started filling the oil yet. Well, yeah, that's gas. So it has been this far. I can't win with this truck. Oh yeah, and I have a nail in the tire. That's right. Move this shit down there. Wrench needs to be down there. Plug needs to be down there. And while that's happening, I'm going to start filling oil up here. Oh yeah, O'Reilly's. Hey, I love that. Just love that. Ah! Oh, the screwdriver. Yeah, I do, but I don't want to get that covered in oil. Just another tool I would have to clean off. Never had someone such a problem taking off this before. But then there's me. Alright, how much do you think I spill? Nope. There's some. I spill a lot. Come on. Such a messy person. This takes forever. There we go. Just stay there, drain every single bit you got out. Move you. Get down here. Don't tip that bottle over. And there we go. Now, see if the front differential, if it fails, I'm not making a mess. That's literally the whole reason why I've been waiting and waiting. By the way, Chevy, thank you for giving me room to just bottle feed this one. Oh, that felt good. Don't mind that. That's gonna have to get replaced. Maybe. They haven't come out with the exhaust anymore. Oh. Yay! I had enough. Just make sure she's full. Where's the plug? It's in here somewhere. There she is. Plug you back up. Yeah, I realized. Oh, that's me now. There we go. I'm a really bad camera person. There's that. I don't know if this is on tightening or loosening. That's on loose. That's still on loose. Wait, what? No, mine it wasn't on loose. There we go. That's good enough. That's good enough for me. Now I can finally get out of the garage and finish painting my workbench. Actually, not really, because I still need to fill the oil. Time to make another mess. Well, they always keep your old jugs so you can fill it with the old oil and stuff. My old jugs are right in that garbage can, so... Well, not full of oil. They're not full of oil yet. No! People wonder why my truck always smells like burning oil. Right there. That's legit the reason. I can't get oil in a thing for the life of me. Alright, bring you back. And probably that's going to be it, because after this, I'm going to move the tool bench. And that will be another video of me painting it.